Hey YouTubers, it's NowIAmNappy and I'm back for another Tip Tuesday. Alright, so this week I'm featuring honey. Now honey has amazing benefits. It has antibacterial, microbial, am I saying that right? It has antifungal, anti-tumor, anti-metastatic. But you guys want to check out all the benefits by going to my blog. I list some scientific journals down below as well on my blog where you guys can share and read all these benefits because I always feel like the natural way is the best way to try, at least if you're dealing with anything that's serious. As of course, talk to your doctor before you start anything. But okay, so today we're going to focus on the hair benefits of honey. Now, honey is great for drawing in moisture. It's humectant, so it draws moisture into your hair. It also has, again, like antimicrobial and antibacterial effects. So people who have dandruff, psoriasis, or eczema, this is a great way to cleanse and moisturize your scalp without stripping your hair and helping to heal some of the problems that we do have. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my recipe for making my honey deep conditioner. Now, I know some people have stated before that they've tried honey and it made their hair feel like hard. Honey does contain some protein. So the recipe that I'm using contains enough conditioners and a light protein to make this like the best recipe. So I also want to recommend that you use raw honey. It is so important to use raw honey because it still has all its properties. So if you guys are using that refined stuff and you tried the refined stuff and your hair didn't like it, try raw honey. And also you can increase some of the conditioning properties in this recipe to make it fit your hair needs, okay? All right, so let's get to mixing. Begin by creating a water bath to heat up your ingredients. I will add 2.5 heaping teaspoons of raw organic honey. Next, I will add 2 heaping teaspoons of raw coconut oil. I then add 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. Next, I'll add 1 tablespoon of my brahmi oil, which I made in my previous video. Next, I'll add 1 tablespoon of amla powder. Keep stirring until the mixture completely emulsifies into itself to a more solid state. While the mixture is still warm, go ahead and add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of conditioner. You may choose to add more conditioner if you like. This is simply a matter of personal preference. Okay, now that our honey mask is made, I'm actually gonna just leave it in this glass container. If you would like, you have the option to pour this into a tube that you can squeeze and put in your hair. That's probably gonna be the best option, but I am just being very lazy right now. All right, so go ahead and shampoo your hair as you would, and then I'm gonna come back on with my hair shampooed, ready to apply the deep conditioner. All right. Okay, now that my hair is all shampooed, I'm ready to use my mask. All right, I'm gonna just start from the back and take down each section. Now just remember that you can increase the deep conditioner by just adding in maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons more of deep conditioner if you wanna have more moisture into this. But I do recommend you try it on its own first or without it. I decided to add it in just for this video, but it works really good on its own and it works really good with the deep conditioner. And And again, please never use a microwave when you're heating up oils or this honey, because it can destroy all the beneficial properties that are in the honey. For instance, honey has 9 essential amino acids and almost all of the non-essential amino acids. So it's really, really nourishing for your hair, okay? All right, so I'm just gonna continue to put this in my hair and then put it in a 2-strand twist. It's best to use this product on damp hair as it spreads very easily. I know it looks like it's a hot sticky mess, but it actually is going on really easily, and I don't feel like I'm overly sticky. Okay, the honey mask is all applied to my hair. I had to add just a tablespoon more of conditioner because I was running out of the honey mixture. So the last maybe quarter cup, I added another tablespoon so I could spread the rest all over. I used about 8 ounces of the mixture that I made, which is sufficient for my hair length. You might need less. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on a plastic bag and sit under my steamer for about 30 to 45 minutes, all right? Okay, so I just rinsed out the honey, and you guys, my hair feels so soft and amazing. Like, wow. If you definitely want to add some moisture to your hair and naturally heal your scalp, I recommend you try this recipe. I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like. It feels so soft and moisturized. Oh my God, I'm not gonna take down all my hair because I wanna put it into 2-strand twists. So if you guys wanna see how my hair looks afterwards, definitely go check out my Instagram in the next couple of days. Also check out my blog post, which I'll send a link right down below. And also subscribe if you guys wanna see more content like this. I'm giving you guys lots of free recipes to try out to see what works best for your hair. All right, so I'll see you guys next week on next week's Tip Tuesday. All right, bye.